Hi everyone! Since our community quarantine is extended and we are still not allowed to do any outdoor activities freely, I have decided to create my instructional video on how I set my Zwift indoor bike trainer up. Okay, so let's proceed. By the way, I'm NJ and welcome to OutdoorEngine. Here are the things that we need in order to set up our indoor bike trainer space. First, of course, we need our bike. Everyone meet Allez. She's my 2019 Specialized Allez Comp Sprint Disc. Beautiful, right? Next, since we do not have smart trainer for this, BTWIN In500 fluid trainer will do, or you can also use magnetic trainer supported in the Zwift app. Next, we have Garmin Cadence Sensor 2. It will measure our pedal revolutions per minute. This is not only limited to Garmin guys. There are a lot of budget but good brands out there as long as it uses Bluetooth connectivity. We also have Magin which have two modes and can be used as cadence or speed sensor. Next is our Garmin Speed Sensor 2. It's Cadence Sensor's partner and it will measure our speed which is installed on our back wheel. You can also use other speed sensor as long as it uses Bluetooth connection. Because the bike I'm using is Traxle, I will be needing this trainer Traxle adapter to mount my bike onto the trainer. There are also QR versions of this which is already included when you get your bike trainer. Next, we have USB and stick. This is optional if your device can already use Bluetooth connection, but the advantage of this is that you can reduce data transmission delay from the sensors to your device by putting it close to your sensors by using extension cord. This is also optional if you're using USB and stick so that you can plug for faster data transmission. That's it. That's all we need for now, guys. We will not be using heart sensor. Oh, and of course, we also need laptop or tablet installed with Zwift. Okay guys, let's get started. Let's start with the cadence sensor. We will install it on the left crank with the sensor's body behind so we will not hit it when pedaling. Okay, so let's put this on. Okay, there you go. Next, our speed sensor. We will going to wrap it on our back wheel, specifically on the hub. There is no setup needed nor configuration of the wheel size. That will be determined when we link them on the app. Then our Traxle bike trainer adapter. We need this to mount our bike on the trainer which will be shown later, but let's install it first. I'll be happy to put the Amazon link, but for now, I'll be putting all the parts details so that you can check them later. There are different models for this and that will be based on what bike you are using. There, that's it. Next, let's mount Allez onto our bike fluid trainer. It's more silent than the magnetic trainer and of course a lot cheaper than the smart bike trainer. Lock it up. Adjust resistance. There. Then our front wheel block. Okay. For the test ride, now onto the laptop. First, connect your USB extension. You can also use Bluetooth if you do not have USB unstick and if your device allows it. Then our USB unstick. Let's plug it. Wired data transmission is still faster than the wireless. Place it under your bike in between your cadence sensor and speed sensor. Okay. Log into your Zwift, then next you will be redirected to per device. You will see on your top left screen, ant icon is rippling. Click search under cadence and you will see your cadence sensor detected by the ant stick. Okay, then search for your speed sensor. Okay, detected. Change your tire size. There. And okay. Next, select our trainer between in 500. Click OK. You can check in the Zwift website which trainers they support. But if yours is not supported and is not a smart trainer, you can choose the closest model. And there, we can start our training now. Now, how to correct your trainer resistance close dot on the road. You can visit this page, I'll put it in the description, or just search for Sheldon Brown speed chart or gear calculator. Here, just fill up your gear details, your wheel size, crank length, and your gears both on the chainring and cogs. Then let's check on the kilometer per hour on 40 RPM. For the gears, I use 2-speed, 52 and 36, and 11 to 34 on the cogs. There's a drop-down list here. You can select that. Calculate. Here's the chart at kilometer per hour on 40 pedal revolutions per minute. If I use the largest gear on the chainring, which is 52, and smallest on the cogs, which is 11, I should be running 23.9 kph on 40 RPM, and that also goes on through this chart. Adjust your resistance until you get it to the closest. Check your RPM on the left side of your screen in Zwift. Get it to 40 RPM or close. Try to hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Then check the speed on the center top. Get it close based on the Sheldon Brown chart and what gears you're using. And make sure you are on 0% slope. That's on the top right side on your screen on the map. Happy in the riding, everyone? Okay, let's crash this 25-kilometer trial. Okay guys, before you go, I'll show you something to take a note for. This is my mountain bike Talon. Check how high the knobs on the tires are. I'm using Schwalbe Racing Brothers combo, Ray on front and Ralph on the rear. Now, check the noise when mounted on the trainer. That's a hell of noise, right? Now, switching to my extra trainer wheel. I'm using Continental Home Trainer. It has a smooth surface. Now check its noise. Almost no noise at all, right? Okay, that's it everyone. Thanks for watching.